Hi Wargamers, this is Umpire LaFondios. It's time to bring a Moltke Tactical Problem to life. Today we will look at how two human wargamers played out Problem 50. A link to the original video on the problem is in the show notes. Your corps, consisting of two divisions and a strength of 24,000 men and reinforced by two cavalry divisions of 6,400 saddles, has positioned itself near Darkemen. An enemy corps of equal size has been identified near Stahluponen. Your mission is to keep the enemy from traveling west off the map toward Königsberg. Moltke's solution was to position your corps at Plickner Berg, giving you the advantage of good ground and threatening the enemy line of communication between the Angarap and Rominti rivers. Here are the moves of our two human players. The Red Corps commander moved one division directly to Gumbinnen while feinting south with the other to try and pin the Blue Corps in place. The Blue Corps commander deployed exactly in accordance with Moltke's solution, using the ground near Plickner Berg to threaten the enemy movements west. As the situation developed, the Blue Corps commander sees the Red Corps travel west and sees the bridges over the Angarap, which were undefended. If you were the Blue Corps commander, what would be your next move? Consider three options. 1. Realize your position is precarious between the rivers and pull back west to reposition. 2. Maintain your position on Plicknerberg and threaten the line of communication from there. Or 3. Attack strongly toward Gumbinnen and cut the enemy line of retreat. Put the video on pause so you can consider your course of action. The player commanding the Blue Corps decided to retreat behind the Angarap to find a new position and keep the enemy from reaching Königsberg that way. As such, the Blue Force did not achieve its objective as Moltke had envisioned it. The player commanding the Blue Corps explained in the after-action review that he was concerned more artillery and infantry were east of the river. What he did not know is that the Red Corps was disorganized from a hard march and that a strong attack would have beaten it and severed its line of retreat. The player commanding the Red Corps gambled with a bold move, and it worked. As Moltke always said to his students, the Field Marshal is less concerned with your hitting off exactly what he wishes than with your developing your intentions in a clear manner. I hope you enjoyed how we brought this Moltke scenario to life. If you would like to see how you would fare, commanding units in one of Moltke's problems brought to life, communicate with me as I will explain in the show notes. We'll see you out there.